Welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy for a clutch replacement. You can just have a look at the vehicle right now. The vehicle is in the ramp. You can just check the complete gearbox is being removed at the moment. You can just check the gearbox is completely down, and we have a brand new parts readily available. These are MGP parts. This is the clutch and this is the pressure plate, and the brand we are using as Exedy, which is a OEM part for all Suzuki vehicles. You can just have a look at the flywheel, and also the bearing is also brand new, which we have installed. Right now we are going to install the clutch plate, so stay tuned and watch our channel. So you can just check right now we are fitting the clutch plate completely on this vehicle. So we also have a MM550 which has come for a gearbox repair at the moment. You can just check out this is the gearbox completely being removed because there is a problem with the gears shifting, and you can just check small pins have been cut on this completely. So we are going to disassemble the gearbox on this vehicle, and we would be updating you on regular intervals. So we also have a Hyundai Eon for bearing replacement, both front wheel bearing replacement. You can just check the bearing replacement, and also the clutch, that's the start kit going to be replaced, shock absorber start kit going to be replaced. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So we are a multi-brand workshop. We do both petrol and diesel engines for both Gypsies, Jeeps, Boleros, Thars, and also now we are working on cars. For any kinds of car related service also, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So this is one more Palio which has got painted completely at the moment, just waiting for the parts which we have ordered for the lights and the tail lights. Once this is done, we would be sure updating you with all the videos. Complete video will be shown on this vehicle, and you can just check out this is a 540 which has been totally going to be modified with SZ engine at the moment, Scorpio engine which has been fitted on this. So right now the work is still pending, just some last fitting alterations are going on, just the primer has been done. So stay tuned and watch our channel for more updates. We'll be providing you more and more inputs on this vehicle also. So please like and subscribe our channel, and WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679617. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.